Alright, so that my upstairs neighbor again. You'll hear again knocking up on the floor above me, um, walking back and forth. Alright, and there's a particular spot that they love to stand on because it squeaks, and constantly have the floor squeaking above me. Now this is for since I got up. Okay, they started this, dropping things above my head, and need a police siren because I see certain things. Also, when my alarm goes off, I have a song on it, and also whenever the word boy or girl is used, they'll start using the police sirens. Okay. Also, see now they stop, right? Because they know whenever I start recording, they'll stop. I have to record as they are starting to do it. That way I can record some of it. But eventually, because they know I'm recording, then they will stop, right? So again, since I woke up this morning, using the remote monitor, as soon as I got up, opened my eyes, they'll immediately start making noise on the floor above me. So yeah, it's gonna be one of those days. Talk to you guys in the next video.